I want to show you something over here. This is my pineapple pear tree, and it's actually two trees. I just noticed this. Okay, look at the leaves right here. This is a pear tree. Don't know what type. This is the pineapple. See how the leaves are fuzzy? That's a different type than here. These flowered, these didn't flower. So if you look down right here, here's the graft line. This is growing below the graft line. So this is the original tree. This is the root graft. And this is the pineapple pear. So you have this one right here that's growing below, and this one's growing below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a separate tree. I'm going to take this off because it's going to dominate this tree. Look how tall it is. It's way up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a root structure here, cutting away the skin, the bark, then shaving away some of the flesh. Put plastic over here with some soil, aluminum foil, tape aluminum foil, and then when the roots grow here, I'm going to cut, and I'm going to make this a separate tree. And then what I'm going to do is, this is not going to be a dwarf, this is going to be a full tree. Either I'm going to let it grow to a full tree, or the main leader, which is this one, I'm going to cut right here and make this a dwarf. Once I cut here, this tree will no longer grow up, but it will grow out from here, 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 and here. All these will grow out to be bushes, and therefore it'll make it more manageable for me to get fruit off of this. This tree is going to grow to a certain size, and it's going to stop. This one will keep going maybe to about, at this rate, I'm guessing probably about 40-50 feet. Could be exaggerating, but right now we're sitting at about 15 or so feet. So this tree is going to keep going. So yeah, I got to turn that into a separate tree. So that's what I'm going to do. Stay tuned for that video. I have no idea what that is, but that had to go. I might have to treat this. And that's a good idea of why you have a root stock. This tree right here is fairly healthy, and maybe the root stock will prevent this from happening, scarring over. See right here, scarring over here and here. So that's a good idea to have a root stock, because maybe it's a disease resistant root stock. So this has to go, because this could easily affect that with disease. Stay tuned for that video.